What if everything you've been told about starting a garden is completely wrong? Most people think that growing your own fresh food requires turning over massive patches of yard, spending hundreds of dollars on specialized tools, and sacrificing every single weekend to backbreaking labor. They imagine endless hours pulling weeds under a scorching sun, only to end up with a few withered leaves. But that is an absolute myth. You don't need an entire acre of land, you don't need a flawless green thumb, and you certainly do not need to spend your precious free time nursing stubborn plants. In fact, if you are spending hours trying to figure out soil science or digging up rocky dirt, you are missing out on the easiest, most relaxing way to bring fresh life to your home. Today, we are stripping away all the noise, the confusion, and the physical exhaustion. You are about to discover the exact blueprint to set up a thriving, beautiful garden in just 30 minutes flat, even if you have never grown a single thing in your entire life. By the time this video ends, you will know the ultimate shortcut to bypass the hardest parts of gardening entirely. No heavy lifting, no confusing math, and absolutely no stress. We are breaking down a hyper-focused, step-by-step framework that turns beginner anxiety into pure confidence. You will see how simple it is to get your seeds and plants into the ground today, so you can sit back, relax, and watch your harvest grow without checking on it every 5 minutes. Here at Stress-Free Garden Living, we believe that nature should bring you peace, not a massive to-do list. We know exactly how overwhelming it feels when you walk into a garden center. There are hundreds of different soils, intimidating tools, and labels filled with complicated scientific jargon. It is easy to feel like gardening is an exclusive club where you just don't fit in. Many adults and beginners over 40 simply want a gentle, rewarding hobby, but they end up with sore backs, muddy hands, and a sense of defeat. That is why we specialize in smart, effortless gardening. We do the heavy thinking so you can enjoy the pure satisfaction of harvesting fresh herbs and vegetables with minimal physical effort. But before we dive into the first step of our 30-minute clock, I have a secret to share with you. Later in this video, I am going to reveal a strange, 5-second watering trick that instantly prevents the #1 mistake that kills over 90% of beginner gardens. It is a technique that professional growers use to save their crops from root rot, and it requires zero extra equipment. Make sure you watch closely for that segment, because knowing this single trick will save your plants from ever turning yellow or wilting away. Let us stop the clock right now and dive straight into the ultimate truth about time. Think about the last project you started that completely took over your weekend. The 30-minute clock is real. The biggest misconception keeping you from fresh, homegrown food is the belief that gardening demands a massive sacrifice of your time. We are completely shattering that belief today. The 30-minute method works because it forces you to focus only on what matters to get a plant started. When you remove the unnecessary steps like testing soil pH or designing elaborate landscapes, you unlock a hyper-focused framework that anyone can master. Imagine looking out your window tomorrow morning and seeing a neat, thriving little green space that took you less time to build than it takes to order and receive a pizza. All you need to do is commit to this half-hour window, let go of any fear of failure, and follow along with a relaxed mind. Now, if we are going to build a garden in 30 minutes, we cannot waste a single second doing the worst job in the world, which is digging up your yard. The container shortcut. Forget the shovel, forget the rototiller, and say goodbye to the endless frustration of pulling stubborn weeds out of hard, compacted clay. The ultimate shortcut to a stress-free garden is to completely eliminate traditional backyard digging. Instead, you are going to use fabric grow bags, heavy-duty plastic pots, or a simple, pre-made raised bed kit. This container shortcut is a total game-changer for your physical health and your plants. Containers give you absolute control over the environment. You never have to worry about rocks, hidden tree roots, or underground pests ruining your hard work. Fabric grow bags are especially brilliant because they allow air to naturally prune the roots of your plants, making them incredibly strong and resilient. Picture a gorgeous arrangement of clean, dark pots sitting comfortably on your patio, deck, or porch at waist height, completely free of weeds. To make this happen, simply purchase 2 or 3 5-gallon fabric grow bags, place them exactly where you want them to live in a sunny spot, and you are already halfway done without ever bending over to dig up dirt. With your containers sitting ready and waiting, we need to fill them with the perfect fuel, but we are not going to spend hours studying science textbooks to do it. The bagged soil cheat code. Let us completely demystify soil chemistry right now so you can ignore the confusion forever. You do not need to learn about nitrogen levels, you do not need to create a complex compost pile in your yard, and you definitely do not need a chemistry degree. The ultimate cheat code for effortless gardening is simply buying high-quality, pre-mixed organic potting soil straight from the store. This works beautifully because professional soil blenders have already done all the hard work for you. They mix organic matter, nutrients, and aeration elements into one single bag that guarantees perfect drainage and moisture retention from day one. Your plants will have every single nutrient they need to grow big and strong for the first 6 weeks without you adding a single drop of extra fertilizer. Imagine pouring rich, fluffy, sweet-smelling dark soil directly into your grow bags without a single worry about whether it is good enough. Your action step here is incredibly simple. Walk into your local garden center, pick up a bag clearly labeled as organic potting mix, and fill your containers right up to 2 inches below the rim. We are moving fast, and your stress-free garden is already taking shape beautifully. But we are about to enter the most exciting phase of the 30-minute method, where we actually choose what you will be eating in just a few short weeks. If you have ever felt overwhelmed by the hundreds of colorful seed packets at the store, take a deep breath. In the next few moments, I am going to give you the ultimate list of indestructible plants that basically grow themselves, ensuring your very first harvest is a massive success. Choosing the wrong crop is the fastest way to feel like a failure, so we are going to set you up with absolute winners. The bulletproof plant selection. Having no experience is actually your greatest advantage right now because you do not have any bad habits to break. To guarantee your success, you must steer completely away from finicky, high-maintenance crops like large heirloom tomatoes or sensitive cauliflowers that require constant pruning and perfect weather. Instead, you are going to select bulletproof starters like radishes, leafy greens such as spinach and butterhead lettuce, or hardy herbs like mint and basil. These specific plants are incredibly forgiving and practically grow themselves. They tolerate minor mistakes, sprout rapidly, and have a natural resistance to common garden issues. Imagine walking out to your patio in just a few weeks to clip fresh, crisp lettuce leaves for your dinner salad, knowing they grew without a single ounce of stress. For your action step, buy these as young starter plants from the nursery if you want instant gratification, or grab a packet of radish seeds. Gently push the seeds or the starter roots into your fluffy bagged soil, ensuring the soil firmly covers them up to their base. Now, before we cross the finish line and stop our 30-minute timer, we must address the single biggest mistake that ruins beginner gardens before they even get started. Most new gardeners get so excited that they drown their plants in water every single day. They think that more water equals more love, but overwatering actually suffocates the roots because the soil never gets a chance to breathe. This leads to yellowing leaves, root rot, and a sad, wilting plant. To completely avoid this, use the simple knuckle test. Never water your garden just because of a daily schedule. Instead, push your index finger into the soil up to your first knuckle. If the soil feels damp and cool like a wrung-out sponge, step away and leave it alone. If it feels completely dry, that is your cue to give it a deep, gentle drink. This simple habit keeps your plants perfectly hydrated and completely eliminates the guesswork. We have arrived at our final, most impactful secret, and it is the absolute key to maintaining your new stress-free garden in less than 60 seconds a day. Once your plants are safely nestled in their containers and have received their first gentle watering, you want to protect that moisture so you do not have to water them constantly. The ultimate professional trick is to add a thin, 1-inch layer of clean straw, shredded leaves, or wood mulch directly on top of the soil around the base of your plants. This acts like a natural blanket that blocks the sun from evaporating your water, keeping the roots cool, damp, and perfectly happy. By taking just 5 seconds to add this simple protective layer, you instantly cut your future watering chores in half. It is the ultimate lazy gardening hack that ensures your plants stay thriving even if you forget about them for a couple of days. Look at what you have just accomplished in your mind. Gardening does not have to be a stressful, complicated, or physically exhausting chore that robs you of your weekends. By using the 30-minute method, you have bypassed the hard digging, ignored the frustrating soil science, and focused entirely on easy, bulletproof steps that guarantee results. You have completely transformed the idea of a garden from a high-maintenance project into a peaceful, rewarding sanctuary that works for you. With just a few containers, some quality store-bought soil, and the right plants, you are now fully equipped to enjoy the incredible luxury of homegrown food without any of the traditional stress. If you want to continue learning how to grow beautiful flowers, fresh herbs, and delicious vegetables with the absolute least amount of effort possible, make sure to hit that subscribe button right now and turn on notifications for stress-free garden living. We are fully dedicated to bringing you the smartest, most relaxing shortcuts so you can grow more while doing less. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these simple steps are you going to try first this weekend? Are you going to grab some fabric grow bags, or are you excited to try growing some bulletproof fresh herbs on your porch? Leave a comment down below and let me know, because I read and reply to every single one. Thank you so much for watching, and happy, stress-free gardening.